Hi! Paano ba ako? Well, everyone is affected. Ako talaga kasi fan ako ng angkas. So, lagi ako nag-aangkas, nag-move it, ganyan. Pero just like last month, tama ba? No, March, na hospital ako. So, wala akong chance na mag-move it because hindi ko kayang umupo. So, dapat talaga grab, ganyan. And sobrang mahal. The only consolation that I get from the crisis is hindi masyadong traffic. Pero sobrang mahal talaga. And ano yung ginagawa ko? What are the other modes of transportation? You have MRT, you have the carousel. Pero ang ginagawa ko, at least personally, ay adjusting kung saan ako pupunta and really planning to go around because again, hindi biro na mag-grab and there are places wherein hindi mo kayang hindi mag-grab. So, yun, wala man ako magtipid man ako ng magtipid, hindi naman yun mapapababa ang gasolina. Diba? And we do what we have to do. And I think yun lang yung kaya kong magawa because wala parang hawak tayo sa leeg lahat. And siguro ano lang for the first time kasi sobrang taas ng electric bill ko, yung mga ganyan, and that also is affected. And this is happening in summer na parang so yun lang. I think there's something that we have and we need to learn about this. Hindi pa yun sa akin dumadating, but I'd like to think na we're all forced to confront this ng magkakasama, and also it's also teaching us to be smart in everything that we do. This is the first time I'm planning kung pupunta ako ng Makati, dapat at least makatatlo kong ganap doon.
Parang it's a great, parang it's an equalizer sa mga...
That's true. Yeah. Yeah, because yun nga, as I said, ang daming hindi nagkukotse. So talagang even those who are well off, hindi sila masyadong lumalabas because lahat tayo ramdam natin. Lahat tayo ramdam natin. The only thing that we can do is really pray and manifest that all of this is going to end sooner rather than later. And well, medyo naman, pero sana completely because yeah, it's